Next question is from Papa Dot. Since the big boys are using the liquidation heat maps against us, how about we try and use their math, algos, actions against them? Maybe you could create a model that could take advantage of their liquidation heat maps when they enter, direction, possible point to cover, etc. Can you dream up a model that might do this so we could all make better decisions when they come after us with our leveraged actions? Thanks in advance. You're the best. So yes, I did have meetings actually a couple of months ago when we all got perp hunted because too many people were in the same trade and everybody came after us. And that is just I didn't think we'd be that big or influential to do that, but that's what happened. And we did have meetings. The problem is it is possible to create tools to do this, but we can't all do the same thing. That's why I always say find your own rhythm. People need to not follow others, but carve out, again, their own little niche, their own little trading specialization, and do their own thing. So, thinking out loud, how to outsmart the big boys. In fact, I just had a conversation going back and forth with Marty Party on this. We'll be on tomorrow at DCA as well. But what I simply do is use tools and processes. For example, mean reversion tells you very clearly when they're hunting both longs and shorts, because things go off the chart, literally off the chart, with a number of standard deviations. And then you can map these to liquidation zones on CoinGlass. And then you can turn on your liquidation counterplay strategy. And you also need to work within special layers. So the way these liquidation hunters work, they hunt you down to a very specific level and then they reverse fast. So once they get close to that level, that's when you strike. That's when you get in, and then you wait, and then you get out before they do the same thing again to the other side. That's very important. So minimize risk by striking first and exiting first, both long and short. And the other thing to do as well is sometimes they hunt during very specific times of the week, very specific hours of the day. So watch those patterns. Yes, a lot can be done. Yes, we might do something. But if the model tells 50 people to do the same thing and they all go in hard, we all get hunted. So that's kind of the most important thing to consider as well. But we are working on stuff like that. But we already have tools that are available to help you identify when things are completely oversold or overbought, because when it's oversold, the market makers are hunting the longs, leverage longs, and we're overbought, the market makers are hunting the leverage shorts.